Have you seen people on social media sipping a glass of chia water every morning and claiming their belly fat melted away in just 1 week? Have you wondered, should I start this too? Is chia water really a weight loss miracle or just another internet trend? Today, HealthWise Digest comes with the answers. Simple, honest and science-backed. Let's talk about chia water for weight loss. What it does, what it doesn't do, and how you can actually use it in the right way. If you use Instagram, YouTube, or wellness reels, you have probably heard influencers say chia water flattens your tummy, burns belly fat, reduces bloating fast. Some even call it an internal shower. But here is the truth. There are no studies that specifically prove chia water alone causes weight loss. So, does that mean it's useless? Not at all. What is chia water? Chia water is very simple. You soak chia seeds in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. The seeds absorb the water, swell up and form a thick gel-like drink. You drink the water along with the soaked seeds, not strained. Does chia water help with weight loss? Let's be clear and honest. Chia water does not magically burn fat. It does not target belly fat. It will not give you a flat tummy in a week. But here is what it can do. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, protein, and nutrients. Fiber and protein help you feel full for longer. Water also helps reduce appetite slightly. So when you drink chia water, you may feel full and eat less later. Eating fewer calories over time can support weight loss. That's the real connection, not magic, but fullness and better control. What does science say? There aren't studies on chia water specifically, but there are studies on chia seeds. Research shows chia seeds can increase feeling of fullness. People who consume chia often feel less hungry later. Small weight loss benefits are seen when chia is part of a low-calorie diet. But remember, chia seeds alone are not a weight loss solution. Weight loss depends on your overall eating habits, activity, sleep, and consistency. Other health benefits of chia seeds. Even if weight loss is slow, chia seeds offer real health benefits. Number 1, digestive health. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber. They help soften stools, improve bowel movement, and reduce constipation. Number 2, heart health. They contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. They may help reduce cholesterol and support heart health. Number 3, inflammation support. Omega-3s and antioxidants may help reduce inflammation in the body. So even if the scale doesn't move fast, your body still benefits. Chia water nutrition. 1 tablespoon chia seeds contain calories around 60. Fiber 4 grams, protein 2 grams, healthy fats including omega-3s. Chia seeds are also a complete plant protein, which is rare. When and how much should you drink? There are no official guidelines for chia water timing. Influencers suggest drinking it 30 minutes before meals, but this is not proven. It's just a guess. Most research uses 7 to 35 grams of chia seeds per day. If you are new, start with half tablespoon per day. Increase slowly to avoid bloating or gas. Too much fiber too fast can upset digestion. How to make chia water? Simple recipe. 1 tablespoon chia seed, 1 glass of water, optional, lemon juice. Mix well and let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes until it forms a gel. Add more water if you prefer a thinner drink. Chia seeds in water versus chia seeds in milk. Many people ask, which is better for weight loss? Chia in water. Very low calories. Light and hydrating. Good before meals. Suitable for hot weather. Chia in milk. More filling and satisfying. better for breakfast or evening snacks, helps control cravings for longer, higher calories, so portion control matters. There is no better option. Choose based on your hunger and routine. Important safety tip: never eat chia seeds dry. They absorb water and can swell inside your throat or stomach. Always soak them properly before consuming. Final truth: chia water is not a miracle weight loss drink, but it can support fullness, digestions, and better eating habits. Used wisely, it can be a healthy addition to your routine, not a shortcut. Your health journey deserves facts, not hype. For more simple, honest health insights, watch more videos on HealthWise Digest. Your health, your story. And don't forget to follow HealthWise Talks on Facebook for daily health tips.